We have arrived! Ahoy! Oh my god. No. Imagine if we flipped right when we came on shore. Oh my god. Dirty phone? What are you talking about? That dirty phone. Oh, I thought you said dirty phone. I was like, what?
Alright, you gotta pose now then. Hold on, we gotta get a pic. Hold on.
Do I look ratchet?
Wait,
Yeah.
don't move.
He looks like Mary Catherine Gallagher.
Don't move.
What are you wearing?
That's what Russ said. I have to protect myself against poison ivy. Okay. Ready? Aaron, do you know what it looks like?
No.
1, 2, 3.
Russ was taking pics of Auntie, not us.
I'm doing a video.
Okay.
I want to put it on YouTube.
Yeah, you're funny.
You guys are screwed.
I got you. I'll put you up. I forgot I'm not wearing a bra. Alright, get your fat ass. Whoa! Girl. What was that? Whoa. Alright, yeah. Good girl. A little more. A little more. I think that's all it's going. No, a little more. Damn, man. You got some muscle. Damn, I know. A little more. You got skills, girl. Okay. Alright, we good. Okay, my butt is soaking. I know, mine is too.
How was it over there?
Oh, it's really nice.
What's on the island?
They have like a bond. There was mad hot guys. Yeah. There was mad weed, mad drugs. We took a lot of pictures. We're influenced, so we didn't abuse them. You know how we do.